Hello. Just to be clear for everyone seeing this, I am a version of Chris Pelkey recreated through AI that uses my picture and my voice profile. I was able to be digitally regenerated to share with you today.
It is groundbreaking. A Valley road rage shooting victim addressing his killer in court using artificial intelligence. It's a story we first aired on Fox 10. We heard from the family who says this brought them some degree of closure. But still now, a lot of questions remain about the use of this technology in a courtroom. The key to this, the AI video, was played during the sentencing after Chris Pelkey's killer had already been convicted.
And Fox 10's Nicole Krasean is live tonight. And Nicole, you were hearing from a retired judge who's commending the family for the way that they went about it.
Yeah, that's right, John and Ellen. Mel McDonald has worked within the Arizona judicial system for years, retired now, but he worked as a prosecutor, a judge, and a defense lawyer over the years. He says that it is how and when this technology was used that he finds highly effective and compelling.
I believe in forgiveness and in God who forgives. I always have, and I still do.
It had a huge impact on me.
Retired Maricopa County Judge Mel McDonald spent years working homicide cases and says one thing was always missing.
The person you didn't hear from or didn't appreciate was the decedent.
Gabriel Horcasitas shot and killed Chris Pelkey more than 3 years ago. But during Horcasitas' sentencing, Chris Pelkey's voice and likeness filled the courtroom, sharing a message of forgiveness directly to his killer.
It is a shame we encountered each other that day in those circumstances. In another life, we probably could have been friends.
A message that moved Judge Todd Lang.
I love that AI. Thank you for that. I feel that that was genuine, that obvious forgiveness of Mr. Horcasitas.
McDonald sharing a similar reaction after viewing the video.
I'll tell you, had I been sitting in his shoes and wearing the robes, I would have been similarly impressed.
McDonald says the specific use of this technology during sentencing proceedings was crucial to its success.
There are going to be critics, but they picked the right forum to do it. In a trial with a jury, you couldn't do it. But with sentencing, everything is open in the door.
Chris's sister Stacy, who put together the video with her husband and their friend, told Fox 10 she had to reserve her own judgment when writing the statement.
It was important not to make Chris say what I was feeling and to detach and let him speak, because he said things that would never come out of my mouth, but I know would come out of his.
And McDonald believes those words made all the difference.
The power of it was that the judge had to see the gentleness, the kindness, the feeling of sincerity, and having his sister say, well, we don't agree with it. This is what he would have wanted the court to know.
And McDonald reiterating that he thinks that artificial intelligence being used during sentencings like this will be upheld in court. He also said that defense teams need to be ready to rebuttal, but only if they can really point out inaccuracies, because hearsay and other things like that are admissible during sentencing. Now, Stacey Wales, when we talked to her, she said defendants need to watch out because this really could be a game changer. Reporting live tonight in Phoenix, Nicole Krasean, Fox 10 News.
Yeah, it is fascinating. Nicole, thank you for the update tonight.